Good morning. My name is Tina and today I'm going to the gym first because, you know, healthy living. And then going to an event at the Mind Museum after, and then another event in the afternoon. Kukuha ako ng bimbo because I need it for the gym. Guys, it's still my birthday. It's gonna be a long day. I've been awake since 4 AM and I am decidido to have a better lifestyle. Okay, so I got it. For some reason, yung bimpo ng bahay namin is just in my mom's room. So yeah, this is my outfit. White and then the amazing pants and just Nike rubber shoes. Very basic. Usually, ganito suot ko. Naka long sleeves talaga ako na jacket and then just a little bit like that. So I wasted 30 minutes looking for my key card thingy. Okay, I don't know where to put you. Because it's so easy to lose, which is ironic kasi nakalagay na nga sa leg. But I don't put it on my leg kasi. So I have to drive slow kasi yung brakes ko hindi ganun katibay na. Kaya I have to do it slow. Ay nako, I only have 1 hour now. More or less. Ooh. I have to leave by 8 AM. Ayoko malate mamaya sa Dove event. I mean, it's not that I don't want to be late. Parang ayoko naman dumating ng tipong 1 hour left na lang. Kasi it's only 10 to 12. Siguro kahit 10:30. Bringing you in my day. Fun fact, you know, my car right now, I can't really use it ng pangmatagalan. Like ngayon, I'm only using it because my gym is at the fort, which is like a couple of minutes away from me. So I can use it. But later, like yung second event ko later sa Mind Museum, so that's the fort also. So I can drive there later after I get ready. Tapos yung event natin mamaya with sila Ronan is like in QC. Mag-grab na lang ako, which is thank you so much Mega for providing the grab. Kasi girl, yung sira ngayon ng car ko is like yung fan niya sa makina is parang nagloloko ata or like so hindi niya kaya yung heat anymore. So I do have to mind the heat meter, which is so weird because I never actually cared about the stuff here. Kasi ako yung tipo na driver na sakay lang ng sakay, drive lang ng drive. Yung mga technical shit about cars I don't really know about. So now I know na pag yan nag-overheat. And also yung brakes ko manipis na, which I do have to drive slowly because I don't want to get into any accidents, and that's why also I can't go too far. Kasi syempre if you're far, you're prone to like go a bit faster. So since ngayon na chill lang tayo dito sa fort, medyo kaya naman yung mga 40, you know, miles per hour. Kilometers ba to? Kilometers per hour. Ang hassle kasi if you've been watching me for a while, you know I always drive my other friends, like YouTubers. I always drive them whenever they are on my way naman or we're going to the same place. So, it's kind of weird na lagi ako nag-grab lately. Parang, it's not me. Parang ganun. Kasi guys, hindi ako marunong mag-commute. Hindi lang ako talaga ever natuto mag-commute. Marunong lang ako mag-commute pag papunta sa school. Pero ano lang yun, kapag emergencies lang, pag walang kotse or whatever. So at least, I can go to school. Kasi syempre, school yun. Hindi ako pwede basta-basta umabsent. So yun lang, mga papunta sa school. MRT, kasi since may locations naman, I guess. Pero mga jeep, medyo complicated pa sa utak ko yan. So, you know what's funny? Yung kanina inakit ko pa sa kwarto ng nanay ko. Nakalimutan ko din dalhin. So wala akong bimpo right now. Buti na lang naka-jacket ako so gumaganon-ganon lang ako. So stupid. I love my earphones na Bluetooth. Hindi ako na babother. Oh my god. I'm like such an independent woman. Driving myself everywhere. Late ka ba natulog ka? Sige tayo, dip ka na ulit. Nakakaloka. Natutulog si ate. Sing nakaganon siya kasi I didn't know if I was going to like bother her or something. But nagka-Starbucks ako, binibili ko usually is extra shot of whatever. Parang kunwari if I buy iced caramel macchiato, I get extra shots for it. Which I don't think milky eh. I'm thinking if I'll just get like an iced Americano with like creamer, and since I'm trying to do a low carb diet. Though wala namang carbs on, but it is sugar. It's so hard to try to be healthy, my god. Is this a Tesla? There's a Tesla! Oh my god, first time ko nakakita ng ganito kalapit. Other than the one in Europe. Oh my gosh. I didn't know we had Teslas here in the Philippines. David Dobrik.
Okay lang yan.
Okay.
Okay.
Yun lang tanong ko. Sige, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
My brother goes to the gym really often. So I wanted to ask. I want him to gym with me, but he doesn't want to gym with me. I don't know why. But nasa Fitness First pa kasi siya. Kasi dati dun din ako, but it was too expensive and we're just basically wasting it by not going. So, lumipat kami sa Anytime Fitness, which is 1,000 pesos cheaper. I'm still not going regularly. I'm going to try, lalo na now that I'm documenting it. Sana i-push nyo ako, guys. Woo! Let's do this! Hopefully, talaga matuloy-tuloy ko na to because I do wanna be healthier. I wanna lose weight. I wanna live longer. I wanna be healthy for my future husband and my future kids. You know what I'm saying? Tsaka para titan tayo, masyadong maraming cellulites, guys. Like, maganda lang ako tingnan sa picture, pero ang dami ko shit! So anyways, yun lang.
Oh, it's beautiful. But wait a minute, is this fish?
Yes, it is.
But I thought the old lady dropped it into the ocean in here.
Well, baby, I went down and got it for you.
Oh, you shouldn't have.
Okay, so now I'm on my way to the Mine Museum. Nag-park lang ako. And I'm looking very sweaty because I'm gonna walk all the way there. I'm wearing all white, so good luck na lang to me. May konting paparating. I don't want to be judged. I'm actually super duper late. 10 to 12 dapat. It's already 12. But then, okay lang. Kasi yung nag-invite sa akin, whole day naman nandun. So, carry lang. Yeah, so I found Jessica. And Pam?
Pat.
Pat. Hi! Okay, so kayo na po sila dito. I'm super late. So, meron silang different areas.
Yeah.
You have the flat lay area. Then you also get what you need depending on your hair. And then here, they will test it on your hair. You didn't try it.
I'm in line.
Oh, you're in line. Okay. So, they will find out now your hair type?
Yeah, hair type.
Yes. And then, ma-match nila yung conditioner because there's 3 types. I have a vlog on it. Link in the description box. So, syempre nabasa. So, papatuyuin nila. May pa-styling sila dito. I'll do a B-roll later. And then, they also have like a lab area where you can play around with kind of oils and ingredients the serum conditioner has. Did you arrive?
I got here like 10:30.
Ay, maaga din. Then, are you rushing to work? Yes, as usual.
No, I just have to vlog. I want to review this.
Your brace face. Brace gang.
You don't have
No.
a brace business.
No, I never did.
Okay.
No, I feel like because my teeth aren't like protruding for me to do that. You know what I mean?
Isa lang yung sa akin eh. It shouldn't be like this much effort.
Or see, I told you, baka nasanay ka na. Ako before, my thing was like this.
Wala.
Yeah, ako I did that a lot.
While eating, no?
No, like,
What?
I don't know, like it gets dry, I feel like. Anyways, we're talking about braces now. So I'll show you around while you wait in line. Hello! What is this?
Okay.
Oh, nice bag.
Goodie bag. Then you can pick any of the 3 premiums there. So we have succulent
Any of the what, sorry?
premium.
Okay.
Premium items. So we have succulents, booty blenders, essential oils, scented candles, scarves. You can get anything except for those random leaves.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many though?
3.
Okay, I get 3. 3, okay. Sige. Wait, the plants are also
Yes!
included? I've always wanted one.
You only have to water it once a week.
Yun nga eh, it's very low maintenance. Love it. What do you call this?
Succulent.
Succulent. Isn't it like an adjective?
Yes.
Diba? Parang...
But it's a noun as well.
Oh, I see.
Because it's so overflowing with that adjective. Charot.
Is this like a cactus, right? Kind of cactus. It doesn't smell like it. Okay lang, pang design. Wala lang, mali mo.
This one, we have 50 kinds of candles, so you can try those.
Ooh, I have a lot of oils already actually. Oh my god, my hair. Sorry, Arden. And so nagpapa-shampoo sila. Like it's Jessica's turn now. Hello. You're wet.
Thank you.
Thank you. I think let's go to the lab thingy. Okay, so what makes the serum super duper softening is that they have a lot of different oils. Almond oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. I already vlogged about this, so just look at my video again. But it's also nice to just play around. I'm so smart. I'm a scientist. Shut up. What? Guys, I'm here with Christina Kabatin. Christina, no, wabong buo. So, Christina Decena, correct?
Hello, yes.
Guys, Instagram, check nyo. If you want inspo, travels, mga color schemes. Kailangan, alam mo, gusto kong mag-aral mag-editing. Hindi mo mag-edit mga photo.
Madali lang. Turuan kita. It's like...
Hindi ako dyan. I heard nga, like, binibenta pa nila yung mga preset na lang.
Ako yung bumibili.
No, pero yung mga iba.
Oo. Pero like easy lang. Mimix.
Kasi medyo ano ako sa tech.
Madali lang. Like, tuturuan
ang tabi.
Ngayon na. Magkape tayo one time. Kasi palipad-lipad ka eh. Alam ba, she's a pilot.
And we're here at the Dove event. Ayan. At ayaw niya magpa-shampoo.
Ayun, naka-extensions na.
Naka-extension ng lola niya.
Ready na ako for the whole night.
So well.
I know you are.
Aren't you gonna have your hair done? Are you wearing extensions?
I am. That's why I'm not. Na-acid ako, man.
Kumain ka na ba?
I did, pero I ate super early, like 4 a.m. Then I just had coffee.
So you haven't slept?
And I went to the gym. Be proud of me.
You were a gym, good job. Tapos hindi ka ba natulog?
No, no, man. I slept. I just had a really early start. How about you?
Well, I went to the gym last night.
I can't kasi at night, napapansin ko na I always have so much energy. So, hindi ako makatulog. Is this a nice lighting?
Yeah.
Hindi ka po.
I don't know.
We haven't seen each other in a long time. O nga, kamusta na? Puro ka na lang jowa.
Wow!
Charot. Kawala pa din. Ano na? Guys, Ashley.
Hi!
My cousin. Don't ask how. We're cousins.
Yeah, she's my cousin. I'm her adopted cousin.
That's true.
We're
Ako din. Guys, hello! If you watch us sa Cathy Doll, magkasama kami. Oli.
Ngayon lang kami nagkasama ni Tina sa event.
Actually,
Ay,
never.
I mean, nagkasama.
Wag dyan yung arms ko, kuya. Nakita ko siya kagad eh. Oh.
Candid. Kunwari.
How are you? Kamusta ng life?
Okay lang. Grabe, ang pack talaga ng makeup as always.
Thank you.
As
Makeup
always.
Forever powder. Super
Ako
ganda.
sa car lang ako nag-makeup, so parang, gagano.
Girl, ako kasi yung nagda-drive, so hindi ako pwede mag-makeup.
So, na-try ko na yun. Sa isang event, parang pag-traffic.
Pag nakita niyo po to guys, MMDA, pahuli niyo.
Sorry po, in advance.
Anong plate number mo? So guys, meron tayong pa-direction. Kunwari na lang, hi, chu. Guys, ganyan. Si Oli, hi! Ang galing natin umarte! Ya, kuya.
Isama mo yan, ha?
Pag yan, di mo sinama sa final edit mo, ha?
Abangan natin ito mamaya. Tignan mo, ha?
Tamara. Congratulations! Congrats on your wedding.
Thank you.
I still love your face. Ang tagal na natin nag-meet, remember? I was still in Bulaga. Oh yeah. I'll pop it here. I was like, I want to line up on her chair because I love her face.
I remember that.
I told you that. I will not forget.
Gorgeous.
Thank you. I really like the powder I'm wearing.
What is it?
Makeup Forever. Are you still with Bobbi Brown?
No more. I'm freelancing now.
Okay, that's good. I also see your videos. Do you make videos na? I know you do.
Yeah. Well, first I did it with Calixta. Like I was doing it for Calixta. Yeah, I'm just doing my own thing now.
Oh guys, subscribe and follow on Instagram. You'll actually learn from this girl. Alam mo yun, like, there are some Instagram profiles that just pa-cute lang, but then she gives tips, she gives blah blah blah. Professional beauty tips, ganun. So follow her and look at her pretty face. You'll never get tired of it. Next! Ang daming bayad. Ang dami mo na. Ang dami. I just arrived here at Prime Hotel. Ayan na. Sarap ng tunay. Tunay, get it? Took me so long to get up here. I'm so tired. I'm dead. May pa-stairs pa. I'm so cranky na. I'm like this when I don't get enough sleep. I'm so tired. Hi! Congrats sa inyong endorsement. Makain na sila. But honestly, I just don't have enough energy. I'm so tired. Parang may pa-press sila doon. Ano yan? Medyo mainit sa labas. So dito muna sa loob. Basically, ang sinasabi niya, uso ngayon maging tunay. Being 100% yourself. So inanarrate ko na lang sa inyo. Kasi ibang init. Hindi siya nagloloko. Tignan mo sila. O, diba? Dedicated. Love it. Natikman mo na ba? Masarap? Sarap naman. Spanish.
New faces of Mega Tuna. Isa-isa ko silang tatawagin. Are we ready? Okay, so without further ado, I'd like to introduce the new faces of Mega Tuna, our Mega Barkada, starting with Ronan Domingo. Woo! DJ Razon. Vanina Bautista and Melissa Gohing. Hi guys! Pwede ba akong hakuha ng microphone for everybody?
Ako naman.
Okay, excited silang dalawa. Good! Yan talaga, Mega Barkada 100%!
Actually, ako naman, ang favorite ka talaga, yung oil, flakes in oil. Kasi gusto ko yung versatility niya.
Ang lalim ng word versatility for today, guys. Okay?
Yung flakes in oil, pwede siyang pwede siyang kumik ng spiciness, sweet, or anything. So, pwede ko siyang laruin.
Okay. Medyo bipolar pala yung flavor natin. Ganon. Okay.
Yes, ako naman hot and spicy kasi may kick palagi. Ikaw din, di ba?
Siya pala. Okay.
Di ba hot?
Parang yung boots mo ngayon, Mel, kumikik.
Oo nga. Kasi kulay ko yung hot and spicy. Kumikik talaga.
Okay, so pumasok na ako sa loob, hindi ko talaga kaya. So sinasabi lang naman nila na it's made out of true tuna. There's nothing fake about it. Kasi sino daw gusto ng fake, sabi nga ni Ronan. So sana narinig niyo ako, diba? Kasi medyo ang daming ingay. Pero ayun, dito muna ako sa loob. Yung can niya, it's super big. Wait, I'll zoom in. Eh, no? Laki.
Ibang klase. Alright. So, kayo naman, nakarelate ba kayo?
Para kay Ronan. Magandang sunlight. Oh my god, it almost hit me.